If you have kidney stones or are at risk of developing them, it's essential to make dietary changes to help prevent their formation or recurrence. Kidney stones can be composed of various minerals, so it's important to avoid foods that can contribute to the formation of these stones. Here are some foods and dietary habits to avoid. 1. High oxalate foods. Kidney stones are often composed of minerals, and calcium oxalate stones are the most common type. Oxalates are naturally occurring compounds found in many foods. To reduce the risk of calcium oxalate stone formation, it's advisable to limit or avoid high oxalate foods such as spinach, rhubarb, beets, Swiss chard, sweet potatoes. Nuts, especially almonds and peanuts, and chocolate. Oxalates can combine with calcium in the urine to form crystals, which can develop into kidney stones over time. 2. Excessive sodium. High sodium intake can lead to increased calcium excretion in the urine, potentially contributing to the formation of calcium-containing stones. Processed foods, canned soups, fast food, and excessive salt use in cooking are common sources of high sodium. Reducing your sodium intake by choosing fresh, whole foods and cooking at home with minimal salt can help lower your risk. 3. Animal protein. Diets rich in animal proteins, especially red meat and organ meats, may increase the risk of uric acid and calcium stone formation. This is because they can lead to higher levels of certain substances in the urine that promote stone formation. Consider moderating your consumption of red meat and incorporating leaner protein sources like poultry, fish, or plant-based proteins. 4. Sugar and high fructose corn syrup. Consuming excess sugar, particularly fructose, can raise the risk of kidney stones. High sugar intake can lead to elevated uric acid levels and lower urinary citrate, both of which can contribute to stone formation. Reducing your consumption of sugary beverages, candies, and foods with high fructose corn syrup is advisable. Instead, opt for natural sweeteners in moderation. 5. Caffeine. Caffeine is a diuretic, which means it can lead to increased urine production and potentially contribute to dehydration if not consumed in moderation. Dehydration can lead to concentrated urine, making it easier for minerals to crystallize and form stones. Limit your intake of caffeinated beverages like coffee, tea, and energy drinks, and make sure to balance them with adequate water consumption. 6. Carbonated beverages. Some studies suggest that the phosphoric acid found in carbonated beverages may contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Additionally, carbonated beverages can contain caffeine, which, as mentioned earlier, can be dehydrating. Reducing or eliminating soda and carbonated beverages from your diet may be beneficial for kidney stone prevention. 7. Alcohol. Alcohol can also have a diuretic effect, potentially leading to dehydration and increasing the concentration of minerals in the urine. Excessive alcohol consumption may contribute to stone formation. If you choose to consume alcohol, do so in moderation and be sure to maintain adequate hydration. 8. Excessive vitamin C supplements. While vitamin C is essential for health, large doses of vitamin C supplements can be converted into oxalates in the body. This can increase the risk of calcium oxalate stone formation. If you take vitamin C supplements, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider to determine an appropriate dosage that minimizes this risk. 9. Processed foods. Processed foods are often high in sodium, preservatives, and additives. These additives can contribute to kidney stone formation, particularly in individuals who are susceptible. Opt for fresh, whole foods whenever possible to reduce exposure to these potentially harmful additives. 10. Inadequate fluid intake. One of the most critical factors in preventing kidney stones is maintaining proper hydration. Not drinking enough water can lead to concentrated urine, increasing the likelihood of mineral crystallization and stone formation. Aim to stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially in hot weather or if you engage in physical activity. It's important to remember that dietary recommendations may vary based on the type of kidney stones you have, for example, calcium oxalate, uric acid, struvite, or cystine stones. For personalized guidance, consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian who can assess your specific situation, medical history, and dietary preferences to create a tailored plan for kidney stone prevention. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.